Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Today we're going to talk about room types. We get a lot of calls, obviously, with our room form system. I think on Friday I had 14 appointments, something like that. But anyway, we're trying to expedite this process and narrow it down because we only have a limited amount of time and we got a lot of demand. So we're trying to get to the problem and the solution, the communication between I'll define the problem for you and the solution, and I have to communicate both to you, within a short time frame. So I think if we kind of classify rooms in three types, we're going to move a little bit faster along that road. So we see three main types. I see hobbyist, semi-pro, and professional in the people that call on our room forms and submit data. Now the hobbyist, he's not really concerned with the low end. This is what we find. These are not scientific findings, but this is our data that we collect. And I have 40 or 50 of these a week, 200 a month, 3,000 a year. So the data is pretty reliable. I start to see these classifications with people. And if we know up front what your targeted classification is, it's a lot easier to communicate and it's a lot easier to address that problem solution paradigm quickly. So the hobbyist, he's really not bothered by the low end. It's not really an issue for him, but he is concerned about reverberation, the reflections off the wall surfaces. And a hobbyist usually doesn't have budget to treat the low frequencies of a room, and that's, remember, the low end and the very high end with diffusion are the two most expensive parts. The stuff in the middle, not too bad, unless you get into noise, but that's a separate issue. On the treatment side, we can do it pretty cheaply if it's just reverberation, and that's with foam technology. So the hobby is not too concerned with the low end. Doesn't have the budget, doesn't want to spend the money on it, just wants better reverb time in the room. The semi-pro, we find, is probably started as a hobbyist and graduated to a semi-pro where he's now part-time income in there, and he wants to produce a product that's better because he realizes he's making some income, and if he improves the quality of his product, things will get better for him financially, hopefully. Okay, so the bottom line here is the semi-pro realizes there's issues and wants to treat those issues. So we come up with a targeted approach to treat the worst issues first with the budget that we're given. Okay, so the professional then, he's full-time. That's what he does for a living. That's his income source. That's what he wants done. So he's very interested in solving all the issues, up to about 80%. That last 20, it costs you X to get to 80% solution, costs you 5X to get that other 10 to 15. You never get it all. So now, then we even have kind of a fourth class we don't see too often here, but that's the mastering room. They're very, very high resolution. They like to get that 90+ solution where, the pros and the semi-pros can live with the 80% and work around the rest. Point is, when you treat and design and you analyze rooms, you can decide which problems you want to keep and which you want to work around. But knowing those, what do they say? A wise man always knows his limitations. That's what makes him wise. Well, same thing here. All rooms have problems. We all have certain budgets we have to work within. We can solve some of those problems. Some of them we have to live with. But those that we have to live with, we can work around. Okay? But knowing is the big thing. So the mastering room, obviously, you want the highest resolution possible. So I'm going to add a room type to our room form and give you like the three choice: hobbyist, semi-pro, and pro. It'll help me a lot in the initial reviews in the morning before the calls start when I go through things to kind of get an idea of what direction we can go. So room types, keep this in mind. Try to see where you fit in this paradigm, and hopefully it'll get us down the road a little quicker. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.